don't send a pop. 2023, bro, getting ass waitlist on this car.
What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Today is, special. Not regular though, but it's special. You feel me? From last video, y'all seen I took y'all on my bigger day boxing journey. You feel me? I ain't lie, I filmed that video so long ago and just dropped it, but now something special. You feel me? I know in that video y'all heard, my car is fucked. You know what I mean? That was messed up. So, I'm gonna cop the new, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, excuse me. So, I'm gonna have to give y'all a cold start, let y'all see what the car sound like, and then I'm doing POV drive on my way to work. You feel me? Boom. Yellow Daytona. You know what I'm saying? Just you just outside though, gang. So you don't need to go outside. You just literally was outside a couple minutes ago, gang. Damn, but your face dirty, cuz. You need to wipe that. I'll get ready on in the car for the POV job. Alright, you two. Alright. Well. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Look at it.
See your nephew, you game up on there.
Yes, sir.
That's what's up. You got a good deal?
Yeah. You too, my fault. That was my uncle. He was letting me know he liked the car. But, you know what I'm saying, as you can see, Dodge Charger. You know what I'm saying? RT. This the RT, this the Daytona. Niggas ain't got this in their seats. Niggas ain't got this. You know what I'm saying? Daytona with the, come on now. Oh, pop it. You hear me? So I gotta go to work, but you know, when you do remote start, you feel me? You gotta get in and hit that. Now you can drive. You know what I'm saying? So now it's time for me to put my seatbelt on. Hey, y'all don't drive without y'all seatbelts. Drive like y'all got some sense. Boom, we reversing it now. We reversing it. Oh, wait till I get out the neighborhood on some shit. Thousand miles away. Oh, you hear me? You know what I'm saying? I never get older. I never get tired of this car, man. I don't have it for maybe like 3 days now. Today, probably I'll make it 3 days. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Sunday and Monday. Yeah. Hey, this fucking Toyota about to back the fuck up. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all. Oh shit. You feel me? Now we turn it. Get up out of here. I will hit the gas for y'all real quick. This motherfucker gets up. Excuse me. You know what I'm saying? I need to save on a little bit of gas. I gotta get some gas. The gas tank lasted me. I went on a full tank. YouTube. I was like, hold on. Start first. I was like right here. I was at the notch before a full tank, and I'm right here now. You feel me? So I ain't really went that far. I don't really need to get gas, but I don't want to see how far this motherfucker can go to get down. Oh, that window down. Ready? You hear me? Look, that's that same car that was in front of me. I ain't tripping. Yeah, look, looking. Keep looking. Thank you. It might be you one day, bro. You know what I'm saying? Stay down until you come up, you feel me? And I know what type of car I was driving. I'm talking about my car used to make that noise ever since I had that car. I'm saying, you crank that bitch up. Shit! You know what I'm saying? That be yelling. Feel me? Ever since, you know what I'm saying? I got the car. You feel me? I've been trying to buy a new one. I've been trying to get a car like this. I've been trying to get this Dodge. You feel me? I've been trying to get them up. You feel me? But you know, times is hard, you know. But once you know the knowledge, you know. You know what I'm saying? You gotta know some stuff. You gotta work hard. You feel me? Credit, man. Get y'all credit right, bro. You could do a lot of things with credit, bro. A lot with credit. You can do a lot with credit. Hold on, my mama calling me. I'll get back to y'all. Back again. She was just, I don't know what she called me for. But, you know what I'm saying? Once you got credit, man, you can do a lot with credit, bro. I'm letting y'all know this now. Personally, from experience, if you ain't got good credit, bro, you can't do shit. I promise you. No good credit, bro, that shit ain't gonna get you nowhere. You know what I'm saying? You ain't got good credit, bro, you ain't gonna get nowhere. And I advise y'all, if y'all is gonna go get a car, I won't say never go to a dealership, because some dealerships do give out good interest rates, you know. You know what I'm saying? So the monthly payments won't be that high. But I would advise y'all to go through a credit union that you've been banking with for a while. You know what I'm saying? So that's just my advice to y'all. That's all I can say. I ain't gonna say nothing else. And this big ass truck just jumped in my way. That's crazy. As soon as I hit the gas. So, nah, I might need to get some gas. Alright, let me stop. Let me just cool now. Because the police be over here, so. You know what I'm saying? I do want to say, if you do this car, and you are, I'm light skinned, so I ain't really too dark. But if you are African American, my brother, happy Black History Month. It is February. But be careful in these cars, man. These police, these attract the police, bro. I'm not saying from experience, I just, what I heard. Why we going slow? Beep. I wonder what my horn sound like. I ain't never heard it yet. Some regular shit. You know what I'm saying? Just so my mama know I'm not speeding. Going 50. 51. I'm not speeding. Oh, 45. 5 miles over the speed limit, ain't nothing. Hey there, everybody, what's it like? Hey, Bro, I've been trying to get a charger for the last 4 years, you know? For the last 4 years, I've been trying to get a charger. And now that I, you know, got one, accomplished it, you feel me? I feel good about myself. I just want to say, do bullshit. It takes time when you want, you know what I'm saying? When you want something, you ain't gonna be able to get it right then and there. Sometimes. Sometimes it takes time. I'm gonna go get some LED lights off Amazon to put right here. Y'all seen that chat right here? Yeah, I'm gonna put right here. I'm a thousand miles away. Now, hold on now, cause Motherfuckers deciding to hit their brakes a little too motherfucking hard. But I'm a motherfuckers behind me cheesing, man. I got y'all. Hold on. It get up there. It ain't no sky, no Hellcat, but you know what I'm saying. It's better than a 3.6 liter V6. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna get up there. And I was thinking about getting like a straight pipe down on the car, but truth be told, bro, I ain't doing that. I ain't gonna do it. That's just, you feel me? That's gonna be too loud. That's gonna be too loud. You feel me? Hey everybody, what's it like in your city? Nah. I probably ain't gonna have to get no gas till tomorrow, to be honest with you. Cause I mean, it ain't told me I need gas. Feel me? It alerted me that I need gas. Straight away chat. I ain't gonna do it right here. Due to I do have to turn, so. Now, this is a very nice car. The speakers are loud in here. Time they get from the. You know what I'm saying? So the speakers they are lovely. Oh, I gotta change. Yeah, I gotta change this. Alright. Okay, I gotta learn how to adjust my mirrors. Okay, I can see him on the next lane. Next lane. Okay. You see me? But I am down the street from my job, so I might start another video when I get off. So, alright, YouTube. See y'all later. I am going to the gym later today too, so you feel me? Been working. I've been seeing them, the weight drop off for real. So, alright, YouTube. Alright, YouTube. I made it back to the crib. Y'all gonna see my car. I'm gonna keep filming more car content. I'm gonna keep filming more content. It's coming in here, give it time. But it's gonna be my first ever vlog with the car. Many more to come. I should have filmed when I got it. But I'm talking about I was smiling ear to ear. You hear me? But thank y'all for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and be back for the next one.